Good morning students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Keeping Safe. We are starting chapter 6 today. So open your books on page number 56. This chapter is about how we can be safe and how we should follow safety rules, first aid and how we can prevent accidents from happening. So let's start. Now you have to read after me. First we will read stepping stones in the green box. Accidents can happen when we show carelessness on the road and do not follow the safety rules. So accidents happen when we are careless. And we do not follow safety rules. You might have seen safety signs at so many places. You must learn to recognize them. Given below are some common safety signs that you must know. Identify each sign and discuss its uses in the class. Now here are some safety signs given to us. Now we have to identify them and tell what they are, what their names are. So the first one is the emergency sign. For example, in case of fire, you must have seen this in your schools, in shopping malls and the places that we go. So this is the emergency exit sign. This is the no swimming area, which means you cannot swim in the area. Wherever the sign is, you should not swim in that area. This is the medical sign. This sign gives us warning that there is danger ahead. There are dangerous things ahead and we should not go near them. This is again all three given under which are yellow in color. They are all danger signs, which means the things that have these signs are dangerous and that we should not go near them. Now let's start with reading the chapter. Accidents can happen all of a sudden. They cause a lot of pain and suffering. Sometimes they cause serious injuries or even loss of life. So accidents can happen all of a sudden, and we also read that accidents also happen when we are careless. They cause a lot of pain and suffering. When we meet with an accident, there is a lot of pain and a lot of suffering that we have to go through. Sometimes they cause serious injuries or even loss of life. Sometimes when we meet with an accident, there are serious injuries. We get injured or there is sometimes even loss of life, which means death. We have heard so many times that a lot of people have died in this accident or in that accident, in a road accident. So, to keep ourselves safe and avoid accidents, we must follow certain safety rules. Now, so that we can avoid accidents and that we can be safe, we must always follow safety rules. Now, let's revise what we have read so far. Accidents, they happen when we are careless and they happen all of a sudden. Accidents cause a lot of pain and suffering, and they often cause serious injuries and or loss of life. Now, how to prevent accidents? We can prevent accidents by being very careful and by following safety rules. Now let's learn about some safety rules that we should keep in mind when we are at home. So, safety at home. You should follow certain safety rules at home. So the first one is do not play with fire and stay away from hot objects. Be careful in the prayer room where lamps and agarbatti, that is incense sticks, are burning. So the first one is that we should never play with fire. Wherever you are, you should never play with fire and you should always stay away from hot objects, as you can burn your hands or burn yourself. And even in the prayer room, we should always stay away from lamps and agarbatti. Do not lean from balconies, or you can fall down and hurt yourself. So you should never lean from balconies, rooftops or terrace. Do not leave things on the floor. Someone might trip over them and get hurt. So if we leave things on the floor, we can fall on the floor and then we can hurt ourselves. So we should never leave things on the floor. Do not take any medicines on your own. Always consult a doctor. So if there is any medicine lying anywhere, we should never take them without consulting a doctor. Do not play with cleaning materials such as phenyl that you may find around the house. They may be poisonous and cause burns on your skin. So things like phenyl or even Lysol or things like that, cleaning things like that, they are very harmful for us, and some of them are poisonous and they can even burn our skin. So we should not touch them or we should not use them. Do not use sharp objects such as knives and needles on your own. Knives, scissors, blades and needles have sharp edges. If not handled carefully, they can cut your skin. So you should never use knives, scissors, blades or needles without the help of an adult. Always use them under the supervision of an adult. Never use them on your own, as they have very sharp edges and then you can cut yourself. Do not touch any electrical equipment such as irons, switches and toasters with wet hands. You can get an electric shock. Also never insert anything in plug points. So whenever we are using irons, switches or toasters, always keep in mind that you have a wet hand, you have dry hands. Because if we touch these things or electrical things with wet hands, we might get an electric shock. Always make sure the door is locked before you leave the house. Let an adult in the house open the door. So whenever you leave the house, always make sure that we have locked the house. Be careful while taking bath in the bathroom. You may slip on the wet floor and hurt yourself. Whenever we are taking bath, it is very important for us to be careful because the floor is wet and we might slip on the floor and hurt ourselves. Do not play on a terrace or rooftop. Always play in a park or an open ground. This is important because you can fall off the terrace while playing. Like we learned that we should not lean from balconies. In the same way, we should prevent playing on terraces or rooftops or balconies, as we can fall off the terrace while playing. So we should always play on an open ground or in a park. So what we have learned is some safety rules that are very important for us to learn are: don't play with fire or hot objects. So we should always stay away from fire or hot objects. Don't use sharp objects on your own. Don't touch electrical equipment with wet hands, and don't put your fingers in electrical plugs. Lock the door before leaving the house. We must always lock the door before we leave our house. Don't lean from balconies, terrace or rooftops, as we can fall down. This is it for today. You have to revise the topic of accidents and safety at home. Thank you.